In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana rules, how to create a rule, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to automate routine work inside a project so tasks move forward without you having to nudge them. First, head to the Asana login page, enter your email address, then click Continue. On the next screen, type in your password and click Login. If you use single sign-on or have two-factor authentication enabled, complete those prompts as needed. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Asana home screen. From here, open the project where you want the automation to live. Rules are project-specific, so make sure you're in the correct one. Inside your project, look to the top right and click Customize. This panel is where you can tailor fields, forms, and rules for the project. In the Customize panel, find the Rules section and click Add. Choose Rule and then select Create Custom Rule. This takes you into the Rule Builder, where you'll define exactly how your automation works. Start with the trigger, the event that kicks off the rule. A trigger might be when a task is moved to a specific section, when a due date changes, or when a custom field gets updated. Pick the trigger that matches the workflow you want to automate. Triggers should be as specific as possible to avoid unintended runs. Next, set a condition if you need to narrow things down further. Conditions help you say only if. For example, only if the task is assigned or only if a priority field equals high. This step is optional, but conditions are great for filtering out edge cases so your rule fires at the right time. Then define the action, the thing Asana will do for you. Actions can include reassigning a task, updating a custom field, moving a task to a section, adding a comment, or setting a due date. Pick the action that saves you the click you do most often. When everything looks good, click Publish Rule. After publishing, watch a few tasks that meet your criteria to confirm the rule is working as expected. If something isn't right, you can return to Customize, open the rule, and adjust the trigger, condition, or action. Keep in mind that rules follow the project's permissions and only affect tasks within that project. That's it. You've created a custom Asana rule that keeps your workflow consistent, reduces manual updates, and helps your team stay on track.